I'm Pete Gruber, on location at Gruber Motor Company. This is a Tesla Roadster. It uses no gasoline, it needs no oil. In fact, it will never see a gas station. And it is vastly simpler than an internal combustion engine car. However, an internal combustion engine mechanic has no idea how to service this. By the year 2035, cars like this will be the only vehicles allowed on the road, and 750,000 traditional mechanics will be out of work. Businesses like Jiffy Lube will disappear, muffler shops, gas stations, and with full self-driving cars, maybe body shops will disappear as well. Some really bright people are predicting that unless we move to a zero carbon footprint now, this planet will no longer support life the way we know it. Are these extravagant claims? Be sure to watch our next 2 videos for answers. Our video production group is starting a new podcast series called the Electrified Podcast. If you want more answers to these types of questions, be sure to check out their channel. And we'll see you back here at the Gruber Motors channel for our next video, The Mechanic of the Future.